All right, good afternoon, everyone. So today we're going to start our project on a supervised agriculture experience, so short for SAE. Two things that are going to be linked here. You'll see my video attached here at the bottom. Here's the assignment for kind of the guide to your project, and then this is also the website that you're going to do. So what an SAE is it's basically taking classroom experience that you have and then applying that to a project that interests you. Okay. So I'm going to have a bunch of different examples that we can look at in this website, and then you're going to pick up 5 of them that seem somewhat kind of interesting to you, and then you're going to create a quick little Google slideshow presenting that. Okay. So let's look at the assignment. So when I click on the link, this is what it'll look like. This basically tells you go ahead and go on and pick some SAE categories, which I'll show you in a bit. I actually made my own slideshow, just a demo to kind of show you what a slide should look like. So you can see we have the topic of what this SAE was about. For our instance, it was creating an FFA recruiting or promotional video. It tells me what the category is. For our case, it came from agriculture education. What type it was. Our example was an exploratory. Okay. The next question for C asks you money invested. In this case, it was none because it's going to be something I'm doing for my ag teacher. And then letter D is why it interests me. And I put a quick little 3 sentences just kind of talking about why I thought it was interesting. And then I also included that picture in here. Okay. So if we look at the website, this is going to be the link that's there. You can see there's 9 different categories. Okay, you can go anywhere from animals to biotech to plants. So lots of different options. What I want you guys to do is I want you to pick a few of these from other categories besides maybe animal systems. Okay, so maybe maybe you like to deer hunt. You could pick one in natural resources, or maybe you like to work in your garden at home. You could have one in plant systems. So when we click these links, we'll do animal systems since you guys are small animal care. It'll take you to this page, and then what you're going to need to click on is this SAE idea. Okay, this is where you're going to get all your different options. So when I click that link, it should give you multiple pages of where you can find ideas. So the idea of what the topic is always at the heading here. So we have like grow catfish to sell to a local cafe, providing a kennel cleaning service. So this is the name. So let's say this is the one that I think is the most interesting. Okay, so providing a kennel cleaning service. Okay, so that's going to be that heading that we have on our slide. The next question asks you which SAE category came from. Most of these should have the category at the bottom of each of these little cutouts. So otherwise, it was the original thing you clicked on. So for our case, it was animal systems. The next question asks you SAE type. On the left side of all these are in these blue, tell you what the SAE type is. So for in our case, this one was ownership / entrepreneurship. So that's what I'm going to click there. Let's say I had one that was this one, the second one down below here. This one's different. Look, see, this one says service learning. So this is where you're going to see your SAE type. Okay. The next question, I believe, asks you money invested. So it's kind of opinionated, right? Most ownership entrepreneurships are going to cost you money, right? So if I have to do a kennel cleaning service, right, I'm probably going to have my own supplies to clean the kennels. So whether it's some type of disinfecting spray, maybe it's a bucket and some cloths. So that's still going to cost you money, right? So that would be a yes to. And then tell me which stuff you think you might need. And then the next part is basically why it was interesting. Okay, that's an opinion question. Tell me why that you picked this one for your topic. And then you can pick any picture. It doesn't necessarily have to be the picture that's provided here. You could just Google image a picture of a dog in a kennel and add that to it. Okay, so you need to pick 5 of these. Okay, if you've got questions, please email me. Otherwise, that is what I